Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you what do you do in case you're unable to see your Snapchat's widgets, your lock screen widgets. So basically, the iPhone has changed a little bit since the new update, and usually you can customize it. You can customize it in a several way. Right now I do not have any widgets on my lock screen, so I'm just gonna tell you how to add them, right? So first of all we're gonna make sure that our Snapchat and our iPhone are up to date in order to support this. So I'm gonna go to my settings, and this happens on iOS 16 and above, right? So right now it says I do actually have a software update pending, but it is found in settings and then software update, and it is found right here. So currently I'm not gonna do that because it already works for me, but you need to try this out in case your widget are not working. Next, you have to make sure that your Snapchat is up to date. So I'm gonna open up my Snapchat and see if that is up to date. So now I'm gonna search for Snapchat, and you can see that my Snapchat is also up to date. So now, well, that's done. I'm gonna go to my settings. I'm gonna look for wallpaper. Right, I'm gonna press customize. And now you see this add widget area. You can press that and you can add a widget. And now usually this person, whoever is on your number one on Snapchat is gonna appear here, right? Or you can add a button to just open up the Snapchat camera, or you can just go ahead and go to Snapchat, and the widgets are available here, right? So this is my number one Snapchat that's available here. I could add this. So that is all to it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.